Princess, kaon ka sarap imong ulam, Princess. Oh, puchero.
Yeah, I love that, Ma. I'm sorry, Mom.
You love puchero?
Mom, I'm
Chicken
sorry.
puchero.
Yes, Mom.
Okay, nanait ka na.
Sorry, Mom.
Why you say sorry?
Because I avoid you.
Very good. Because you know how to say sorry to mama. Right, Princess? Eat ka muna, not puro plain na lang.
Hey, which friends? No, avoid.
You love that?
Yes.
Walay sticker day na. Kanong ka naman imong napalit day?
Yan mga ganyan mo.
Walay sticker day ay.
Kanong sa
Kung kanong anak din, horog mo anak.
What?
Kalami sa akin. Kalami sa akong ulam karon. Paborito ko to. Katong kanong gamay lang muna ako anak. Ay, sili green da. Pahingi ng sili green, mahal. Princess, you eat na, Princess. Of course. Kaon sa me. Ano akong paborito na ulam?
Hey, Ma. Ma.
Yes. Thank you, da.
Good.
Very good. Your sili green.
What?
Yan. Paborito ko yan.
Huh? No, say. What is that? Hey, why are you? What's that? My
Prince-
teeth.
Princess, eat ka na.
What's this one? This one is reflection. Huh?
Princess, oh, eat this one.
Sa ha?
Sticker pa siya dito.
Jump, Hudson.
Mhm.
See, Mom, this is a sticker, Mom. It's puzzle.